If Leonardo AI is giving you an error when generating an image, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that can help get your image generation working again. This is especially useful if Leonardo AI suddenly stops responding, fails to generate, or seems stuck after you enter a prompt. We'll go through a safe refresh process first and then test whether the issue is being caused by your prompt itself or by a hidden filter. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick AI and software fixes. Let's jump in. First, perform an interface force refresh. Start by clicking your profile avatar in the bottom left corner of the sidebar panel. This is important because it helps you fully access your account session options. From there, select Logout so you can completely sever the broken session token. Sometimes, Leonardo AI can get stuck because the current login session is corrupted or no longer syncing properly, so signing out is the cleanest first step. Next, on your PC keyboard, press Ctrl plus F5. This forces a deep browser cache refresh, which is much stronger than a normal reload. A regular refresh may keep old files or session data loaded in the browser, but Ctrl plus F5 tells your browser to fetch the latest version of the page from scratch. If there's a display issue, loading issue, or stale session problem causing the error, this can often clear it up. After that, open an incognito or private window. On most Windows browsers, you can do this with Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Using a private window is helpful because it creates a clean browsing session without the same cached data, cookies, or extensions that may be interfering with Leonardo AI. Think of this as a fresh start for the platform. Now, navigate back to the Leonardo AI platform login page and sign back in. Once you're inside again, test whether the error still appears. If the platform works normally after this refresh process, then the issue may have simply been a broken session or browser cache problem. That alone solves the issue for a lot of users. If you're still seeing an error, the next thing to check is your prompt itself. Select all the text inside your main prompt input field and delete it completely. Then open in the negative prompt toggle, which is usually located right below the main bar, and erase everything inside that field too. This step is important because sometimes a specific word, style term, or phrase in either field can trigger a hidden filter or conflict inside the generation system. To test that, type a very simple, benign baseline phrase such as clear glass vase. Keep it basic and neutral. The goal here is not to create your final image yet. It's to see whether Leonardo AI can generate anything at all with a simple prompt. If the generation goes through with this plain text, that strongly suggests your original prompt was triggering a hidden filter, a moderation rule, or a prompt processing issue. If the simple prompt works, you can slowly rebuild your original prompt from there. Add your details back one piece at a time so you can identify exactly which word, style, or instruction causes the error. This method is much easier than guessing and keeps you from losing time rewriting everything at once. If the simple prompt still fails, then the issue is more likely tied to the account session, browser environment, or the platform itself. In that case, repeating the logout, force refresh, and private window steps is a good idea. And you may also want to try another browser to rule out extension conflicts. So to recap, the fix is log out from the sidebar avatar, force a refresh with Ctrl plus F5, reopen Leonardo AI in an incognito window, sign in again, clear both the main prompt and negative prompt, and test with a simple phrase like clear glass vase. That process helps you separate browser problems from prompt problems very quickly. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more Leonardo AI troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific error message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.